Today was our restoration celebration, which is hopefully a lot of fun for the whole family. It finally gave us a chance to turn the mill on and see how it ran from about 1811 through the 1850s.
It's a nice opportunity when or places like this open up for the children and let us know that the children are welcome.
The mill was running, which was fabulous to see. Craft activities for the kids. We had our costumed reenactors here helping folks get into the flavor.
We made a miniature model of the mill itself.
We went and tried some samples. We got to try some cornbread and some cookies that were made with the cornmeal and the flour that's milled here on the premises.
Chef Matt was here from the Dulles Hyatt, and he brought with him some grits and ham that was just absolutely fabulous.
I had the grits and the barbecue and cornbread. It was really good. It was delicious.
Mill needed to be restored because when they initially saved the building back in 1968 through 1972, they never had enough time, money, or expertise to actually finish off this grinding system called the Evans system. So we were very fortunate enough to pull together money from a lot of different sources, including bonds, grants, and whatnot, to finally finish off the project they started back in 1972.
It's kind of amazing how that mill's like 200 years old and how George Washington actually bought this land for this purpose.
I would encourage my friends to stop by because it's really historical and it's cool to see how they made grain from the olden days.
Mills back in their heyday served as the centerpiece of community, and we'd like to think here in Great Falls that once again we're ready to fill that role.